Hey guys, so today, oh, today we're gonna be building an airport. So we use this start house. Ready to play? Now we're building. So we are building an airport, and we don't want to do ready to play. So ready to decorate. Let's go to the house. There we go. Let's delete everything, just like that. Delete and this. Let's do coloring like that. This one like that, and then like that, and then do that. Okay, this will be okay, let's do this. Do that, and then do a little block area, and then there will be more seats like that. Is that cute? I think it's kind of cute. Right here would be the bathroom next to the place. So let's make another one. Let's do this one. What should be this one? Let's just do another one. But it would have more room and that stuff. Yeah. So move that around like that. And a block. Is that cute? Why am I... Okay. That's cute. Okay. I'm gonna do these things for like they can know the, and then I'll put where's the speaker? Oh, here. So they know that the captain is speaking. Oh, okay, like that. And why do I keep on a key? No, I'm kidding. No, a key. What am I doing? Okay. Let's make the bathroom. There's gonna be a toilet, not a bath, but it's gonna probably be a little mirror place, like a place to wash your hands. I was gonna put 2. That should be all. Or should I go here? Should it be another over here, or should it be another bathroom? I don't think an airplane has another bathroom, so I think I'm gonna make this the captain. Yeah. I'm gonna make it the captain. Okay, let's do like that, and that will be their control place. Like that. That's gonna be their little control place to control the plane. And this is gonna be their steering wheel. well, I don't know what it's called. It's just gonna go like that. And then it's gonna work. So, yeah, and then they're gonna have a little, this is gonna be the little place to talk. This will be to talk to the people. And then, what does it have really? I'm gonna just do that. And just pretend there's some random buttons. So this will be the airport. Well, the airplane. Oh. Can do that. Turn it off. Yes, turn it off. Turn it off. It's not working. Oh. I've never been on a plane. This is what I'm thinking a plane would look like. Okay. And that is all for now. Bye, guys. Peace out.